Welcome to Selected Solutions channel, and today we are going to add building features or shape files with elevation all at a time in our RAS mapper. So first we have to load the shape files that we have digitized from other applications, and then we edit these shape files and we delete those outside the model or outside the DEM. So we have here, so we have so many extracted or digitized features which are outside the, and after removing these features outside the model, we create a terrain modification using a polygon, since these shape files have four or more sides. And then we place the higher values, since these are buildings, we have higher values, and we set this to example only we use 80 meters elevation. And after copying all these shape files, select and then we copy and then paste to this polygon we have created. Okay, so copy pictures and then paste it here, paste features, and then after finishing all this, we delete the polygon we initially created, because it is not part of the shape file or part of the building that we have copied. So after copying and then pasting those shape files, we can already delete those from the features, and we also delete this initial polygon that we have created. Okay, so this is the initial feature or polygon that we have created. We delete that, and then of course you check, you can see that all of these features already have elevation of 80 meters. Then we save all the edits. See, this already a elevation. All of these shape files are having a 80 meters elevation. We save edits, and then we are now ready to run our simulation. So we click on our run. We'll save first, then we run. Okay, so we wait for a while. And after this, we're going to show the result or the effect of the buildings to our simulation. Okay, it's done. So we see finished simulation, and then we don't have any error, or our error is just inside the range. So we check the results or the depth. So we can observe here that the flood that's near or beside the buildings are deeper compared to the other areas. So if you guys find this video interesting, please don't forget to subscribe for more of these videos, and don't forget to share or comment. If you have any suggestions, you may also comment at the comment section. Thank you guys, and God bless to everyone.